Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining us for our Imaging USA product spotlight. Consider this your exclusive pre-game pass. Here is where you'll get a first-hand, high-level sneak peek from our value partners at what they are excited to showcase at Imaging USA. And this will give you the opportunity to plan your must-see stops on the Expo floor before the doors even open up. So get your notepads ready because we're about to dive right in. Today is November 19th, 2025, and we are only 7 weeks away from the greatest photography conference on the planet. Today's guest is the guru from AI Evoto himself, Mr. Jay Peterson. Jay, thank you for joining us today.
Absolutely. Yeah. Thank you for such a lovely introduction and for having Evoto participate in this. I'm really excited to be here with you. A lot of you are familiar with Evoto. For those of you that are already using the platform, we're really excited and look forward to seeing you at Imaging. Imaging USA is going to be another really exciting show for us. So we're looking forward to seeing all of you guys. And for those of you that are not yet using or utilizing Evoto as part of your workflow, there's a lot to know. There's a lot to understand. The key thing to understand Evoto means that it is an end-to-end workflow solution. So Evoto is really its core competency is photo manipulation and retouching, while maintaining a high degree of authenticity and realism to your photos. Evoto is not a generative model necessarily, so it's a little bit different than a lot of what we see in the headlines these days. Evoto is really for the working professional that needs to deliver consistently wonderful content and edits as part of their professional deliverables. And it really is for the working professional photographer. So for many of you. What I'm excited to share a little bit here today and at Imaging USA, the Evoto team and I will be there showcasing a lot of the new stuff. So what that means is Evoto Desktop, which is our core product, which most of you hopefully are familiar with, which is piggybacked by Evoto iPad, which is a standalone iPad application. And then a couple new things we're really excited to share. We just recently announced back in September, Evoto Instant, which is an instant delivery tool for edited photos, and Evoto Video, which is just about to open up for its first beta testing program. So for those of you that have access to this webinar ahead of Imaging USA, you're more than welcome to sign up for that beta and try to test Evoto Video as well. But those are the core things that we want to talk about today and share and get you guys prepped for seeing this at the show, and hopefully you have a chance to test it before we get there.
I am excited already, Jay.
Yeah.
You got to show me. So you can start whatever you want, but Evoto Desktop
Yeah.
and Evoto iPad and Instant, I want to know more. Please share with me.
Absolutely. Great. Well, why don't I share my screen really quick, and then we can take a look at some of the things that I am referencing anyway. Let me do spotlight my camera. Here we go. Okay, let's do, hopefully we can see. Can you see both sides, hopefully?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, cool. Okay. Great. So yeah, let's take a look at some of the existing products and the new stuff that we just recently announced. So we'll see on my desktop here, I've actually got Evoto, the modern version, the most current version of Evoto. We are currently in version 6.1. So for those of you that are catching this broadcast or this video, this is the most recent version is 6.1. On the right-hand side of my screen, these are some of the new products that we just recently announced and the updated version of Evoto Desktop. So we can see from the top here, we've got Evoto Desktop. This is the standalone desktop application. This will run locally on a Mac or a PC, either which way. We've got specifications and requirements, but it's a very lightweight program. Will run on almost any modern machine. Super flexible, really lightweight program. Below that, we've got Evoto iPad, which again is a standalone iPad application. This is a mirror or a mimic of what the desktop application is. The major thing here is that it's just shy on a couple of features or effects, but it is intended to be a one-to-one duplicate of the desktop version. So just be aware, there's a couple features that are missing from iPad when compared to the comprehensive desktop version. Next to that, we've got Evoto Video. And what this is, in very simple terms, super, super, super exciting. Imagine if we took the power of Evoto Desktop for photo retouching and all the best things that Evoto has to offer, which is simple slider-based user interface where you can turn on things like glasses glare removal in a single slider. Imagine if we brought all that power to video. So for those of you that are shooting mixed media or also creating video content as part of your deliverables, or even for your social media stuff where you need to promote your business, whether it's your Facebook, your Instagram, or for those of you doing TikTok, right? Evoto Video is going to give you or harness the power of all the wonderful retouching components that we have in the desktop version for photographers for video content as well. So as I mentioned, this is entering into an early beta program right now. Anybody is able to sign up and get in the queue and get in the wait list for Evoto Video. And this hopefully will get released in the beginning of 2026 in just a couple months. That's the plan anyway. And then lastly, and also equally as exciting, definitely not least, is Evoto Instant. Evoto Instant is a wonderful new delivery tool that, again, harnesses the power of Evoto Desktop and the photo retouching and brings it into a mobile application. This mobile app is also accessible through a web interface, so you can access Evoto Instant through your favorite web browser. But the key thing here is you're tethering through your camera to your mobile phone, which theoretically is in your back pocket or maybe mounted to the top of your camera. And as you're clicking the shutter button on your camera, those images are routed into a predetermined project or gallery. And those images are automatically edited based on your favorite preset that you need to use for that project. And they land in a web gallery where you will then be able to provide that gallery through QR code or maybe a unique URL link that people can access. So your guests or your subjects are able to see those images instantaneously. It supports JPEG and RAW both. Of course, shooting JPEG will speed up the process because shuttling RAW files takes a while. But it's a wonderful new tool that really enables the all-in-one workflow that Evoto is building towards right now. Evoto Instant is available, so anybody is able to download it and test it and try it. Right now, it is available for iPhone, I believe, so you're able to go into the App Store and download that. I'm not sure, and I should have double checked to make sure if it's available for Android, but I can confirm after this. But I know it's available for iPhone. User interface is super straightforward. Also enables AI culling, which is a brand new feature in Evoto Desktop. It is also enabled through Evoto Instant. So for those of you that are wedding photographers or shooting at very large events where you shoot in burst mode and you do need to make final selections because you don't need every photo, AI culling is going to save the day on this one. Things like blinkers where you've got your eye closures, overexposure, underexposure, out of focused images, all of those things can be filtered out or culled through Evoto's AI culling system that's baked right into the system. So it's really clever. So those are the core things that we want to share with you guys, and we want hopefully all of you to come over and visit us at Imaging USA. Come and visit the booth and let us show these things to you, and also share some feedback. For those of you that have tested, we'd love to hear what your thoughts are and how we can improve on these things. All these programs, well, at least two of them are brand new, so we want to hear lots and lots of feedback from you guys.
Jay, wow, that's amazing. You just told photographers not only can they cull and edit on the iPad, but soon they'll be able to retouch video for their clients. That's amazing. I'm excited to see that.
Yeah, it's great. I think I personally I'm very excited about that particular tool and Evoto Instant. Both I think are uh, really truly redefining Evoto as a player in the all-in-one workspace anyway for all types of content creators. Evoto Video I think is going to be a game-changing tool for those of us that do need to cut video together and deliver that, and really for high volume stuff. But the big thing is video retouching, right? Retouching our subjects it's a really complicated task to do and oftentimes requires somebody who's an expert. It can be very time consuming. And worst case scenario is you have to send it out to a retoucher or a post-production facility you have to farm these things out, and that costs a lot of money. Imagine if you could have that Evoto experience, the inexpensive Evoto experience, and maintain control just the same way that we do with our photos, right? It's long overdue, I think, and I'm really excited about it.
Well, Jay, thank you so much for sharing that insight with us. We greatly appreciate it. Everyone, Evoto has a great team. They're going to be at Imaging USA from January 11th to January 13th. You got to stop by their booth. Get your hands on it, play with it, ask them questions. They would definitely appreciate your feedback. And you can reach Evoto at booth number 547 at Imaging USA on the Expo floor. See you there.